Have you heard about a brand new day? It's called a bird. Don't need no Vanessa, no personality. All you need is attitude. Come on, sing along with me and say, hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Say it again, child. Good God, hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Cheryl Pepsi Riley.
Fellas, don't be cool. Close to the sisters like sometimes when you act a fool. Sister, don't be shy. No, let your body get loose. You ain't too fast to fly.
Come on now. Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Say it again, y'all. Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. To the top, y'all. We're gonna take a break. Oh, look at the time, y'all. You only got 3 more minutes. Maybe less. Good God, big old now. Have you heard about a brand new girl? No bird. Don't need no Vanessa, no personality. All you need is an attitude. Come on, sing along with me. Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, baby, sing it. Hallelujah. Oh, 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 oh. Go ahead, y'all, jam to it. It's the Union, baby. We ain't fucking around. Good God! Everybody, soul clap, come on. Y'all look like a party. Y'all look like a party. You people over there. You people over there. You people over there. You people over there. Hey, you people over there. Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you people right here, sitting down. Do you have any party? Do you have any party in you? Stand up on your feet. I know you guys been dancing. I seen you. You okay? I know you okay. You okay? You definitely okay. You guys over there, I don't know what the hell. Come on. I know that. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday. Everybody get your hands clapping right now. Come on. Keep it 3 times. Good God, dang. Look at the time. Look at the time. Come on, Eric. Come here, Eric. I think it's time to do the dance. Y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Are you ready for this? You've enjoyed the first half of the show, baby. few minutes. Thank you very much.